Welcome to
Skye
Skye.
the Living.
Please like and
Subscribe.
Lapu-Lapu City has not been known by its pristine water and beautiful white sand, but with bravery. And in commemoration of the Battle of Mactan and to emphasize the transcending spirit of bravery of the Filipinos in the last 500 years, along with Lapu-Lapu and the warriors of Mactan, we celebrate freedom. At the Victory of Mactan celebration, Lapu-Lapu City Government and Sugbonsai features. Join me today as we go to Mactan Newtown, wherein last April 23 to 27, there's a bonsai exhibit and workshop. Bonsai is a Japanese version of the traditional or the original traditional Chinese art, pinjeng or pinzai. And as a plant lover, who wouldn't like to see this bonsai exhibit? Don't you know that Bantige or Memphis Asudula has been known as the most popular bonsai among collectors and hobbyists? It has been acknowledged even on international competition. Philippines has several trees that were made for bonsai, like Askamuning, Lantana, and Lowly Santan, even the regular Bougainvillea. But Bantige has been keep on winning on international competitions. When it's Philippines, it's gonna be Bantige. As you can see, bonsai is an art. You need to be very creative in how you can trim the leaves and the roots. And you need to understand the nature of the tree as well as how you would like it to be. This is the Mabuhay Bonsai tree. And according to one of the Sugbonsai member, this is only found in Cebu. This is Sandugo Bonsai. If I'm not mistaken, this is family of Makahiya, which closes its leaves by sunset. Prices range for selling bonsai tree may be around 1,000 to 1,000,000. Depends on how the creativity or the crafts has been made and how long has been the bonsai tree have grown.